What's up everybody? Nate here from Indy, Cigs, and Broad Ripple. I want to bring you a few options for devices if you're looking to quit smoking or just add something new to the collection. Up first, we've got the Boulder. This device, only 15 bucks. It's a pod-based system and by far one of our most user-friendly devices. This one, you'll never lose the charger. The whole thing just plugs right into charge, so adds to that user-friendliness. Up next, we've got the Soarin' Air Plus. This device does utilize a USB-C charger, so it's going to charge a lot faster. Also, being a pod system, it's going to fall right into that really easy to use category. This one does have two different pods available, so it's good for either salt nic or regular juices. Up next, we've got the Target PM80. This device is from Vaporesso. We carry it, it's only $50, and it does well with either salt nicotine or standard juices, depending on the coil that you're using. This device is also adjustable by the wattage up to 80 watts. And last but not least, we've got the Twister. This we carry for $60. This device is going to be more like your standard devices, uses a regular tank and coil setup, but is still adjustable up to 80 watts. And this thing is certainly more for the fan of clouds and big vapor. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked any of the devices you saw today in the video, or you just need to restock, call your nearest Indy e-cigs for a curbside pickup today.